Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Plumber's Crack with California Leak Detection. Today we got kind of a fun job. So we are at this undisclosed location in Southern California. You can see this house had extensive water damage. The inside is even worse. They had a slab leak. The restoration company came in and tore everything out. What you can see right here was our main manifold in the house. Now, the main pipe that we found that was leaking goes from here to a bathroom right over here, but we also found a bad pipe next to it. So this pipe had some holes in it right at the base. So what we have decided to do is do what we call a PEX push. That's where we take, and there's only a few times you can do this. It's a 3/4 inch copper pipe that we pull a 1/2 inch PEX pipe through. So we pulled this 1/2 inch PEX pipe through the 3/4 line, and I'll show you guys why we can do that. This 3/4 line goes right back here, and it comes up right here. Now this line here feeds the sprinklers and a hose bib in the backyard. But the beautiful part is, the reason we can do it, this is their backyard. So their backyard is only this little planter. So you can see it comes up over here. Comes up 3/4, but there's nothing back here that's going to use 3/4. So it's 1/2 inch is going to supply this backyard just fine. So if it went to some other fixtures, like another bathroom or something like that, we would not be able to do the PEX push. But the sprinklers don't care.
That's him operating.
Look at the leak and the buildup around that sprinkler.
Whoa!
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. What do you think that's made out of?
That's crazy. That's because of the anti-siphon valve on the top of the sprinkler valve is leaking, and the roots just grew up around it. I've never seen one that bad. I've seen some of them with a little bit of growth, but I've never seen them that bad.
Whoa! Who's this?
Oh, hi, little buddy. So we just had a little friend wander up to us here.
Out of nowhere, too.
Yeah.
I think we're just gonna go ahead and have to call the number.
Let's call.
But we won't return him unless there's a reward.
Nah, we're gonna return him. We're not gonna.
Cute. He's pretty cute.
He probably lives right over there.
Yeah. All right. 949644. I got it ready. All right. 644 0644.
Little Sebastian. Look at Sebastian. He's so cute.
Thank you for calling. Please press.
I guess they don't want their dog back.
There's another number.
Yeah. What is it? Read it to me.
661 703 3358.
Here somewhere. I'm guessing I must have came from over here.
Yeah, he's one of these houses.
Yeah. I kind of want to show Victor.
Somebody's talking over there, but
That's all about the house down there. Hello?
Yes,
Hey, how you doing? Do you have a dog named Sebastian by chance?
I do.
Okay, he's we found him. He's probably the next door neighbor or something, but I got him here for you.
Where exactly are you at?
We're at Unit 14. Oh, okay, yeah, we're at Unit 14. Do you have anyone that's home, or do you want me to?
Oh, yeah. So I'm in Unit 16.
Okay.
My grandmother should be home.
Perfect. I'll knock on.
Unit 16.
Perfect. I appreciate it.
No worries. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Okay, so we found Sebastian's home and put him
next door.
inside.
Yeah.
Yep. The owner's at work and the mom is home, and she didn't know that he had gotten out. But that's okay. Good deed for the day done. So guys, anyway, they're in there. They've almost got the PEX push done, and they're going to do the reroute on the pipe. But also the homeowner wanted a new water heater. So we are going to go ahead and unload the water heater and get this one draining, and we're going to take care of that for him.
Even more?
A little bit more this way. No, the way back. There you go. Okay, slide the other one down.
Same area?
Yeah, so it's moving.
You see the hole now?
Careful, water's gonna start coming.
Oh, that's gross.
Yeah, set it down. Go downhill. Okay, so we let the water heater run on CO2 until it was about halfway empty, and then we shut the air off, and you can see it still has enough pressure built up inside the water heater to finish draining it. That way we don't waste a whole lot of air. And in a minute, we're just gonna have air spitting out.
No way.
What that means is we are now empty. The water heater should be pretty light.
A lot lighter?
Yeah, water heater's empty. We'll just let the air run out. I gave it a little tiny bit more boost and it pumped up. And then we'll just disconnect the water heater and we'll pull it out. So for taking a new water heater, the California code now requires that we put a sediment trap on the gas line in these water heaters. And all it is right where we go into the heater, we got to put a T, an inline T with a drop, and we'll show you. So we used to just put our gas valve directly into the heater right here. But nowadays, we gotta put these little sediment traps on. I'm not gonna go super tight on this, so I don't really need to worry about putting backup on it. I'm gonna leave it out just a little bit so that I can straighten it with my next one. So then we gotta cap this, and what this does is it allows any sediment in the gas pipe or any oils from when the pipe was cut, it doesn't allow it to go into the burner or into the regulator for the water heater. So, the thermostat. So, all we do is we put this on like this, so I can get it to thread. And then we'll tighten this down. And again, okay, and that is what our sediment trap does. So anything coming through the gas line, boom, is gonna drop down in here before it goes into there. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a live replacement of this gas valve, because we don't have time to shut the gas off, so I'll show you guys how we do that. We loosen this valve up, and then very quickly,
Someone here?
I don't have any gas. Our gas must be off. Our gas is off.
I smell it.
It's all right, you're just getting a little whiff out of here. I don't know why. Oh, probably because the valve inside is leaking. That's the deal. So the restoration company took the washer and dryer out, and they capped off the gas line for the dryer inside, and it's still leaking gas, so we got to replace it. So we're good. But normally that's how we would do a live gas valve replacement. Okay. So the gate valves always lock up and freeze up. So what we're going to do is replace this one with the ball valve. don't touch this.
All right.
So now we'll just sweat the new valve on.
All within 2 minutes you did that.
Yeah.
Pretty quick.
Doesn't take very long to solder a valve on. Okay, so after installing the earthquake straps at 2 feet and 4 feet, or they're about really, really close, we just throw this thing back up here. Chris? And about to right, we're gonna stretch it all the way to right about there. Okay, then we have, okay, now a nut in the washer. So up here on the top of the water heater, we got to put the TMP in. This is a temperature and pressure relief valve. So if the water heater gets too hot, it will blow, releasing the pressure so that the water heater doesn't blow up. And before I put the flue on, I'm going to go ahead and put our water lines on. So guys, here's our water heater. We got it lit, we got the gas back on, we got the water back on. We put a new ball valve on the top and got rid of this little cheesy gate valve. We got it fired up. It's working really good. Inside the house here, we got a little reroute here, so we ran this line up and around and over to the bathroom, and then the other line went all the way over to feed the stuff in the backyard. And everything seems to be good on this job. So we're gonna call this one a day, but this is a double reroute and a water heater. So we'll see you guys on the next one.